right, guys, welcome back. Now, artificial intelligence is an ever-evolving tool. We know it, right? It is transformative and has now infiltrated the sports industry. The Caribbean School of Sports Sciences, CSOSS, at the University of Technology, Jamaica, will be hosting a seminar that seeks to explore how AI is reshaping the entire sporting world. So here to tell us more about this is Ms. Donna Marie Winter-Adams, head of the Caribbean School of Sports Sciences at UTech, and also Mr. Adrian Dunkley, CEO of Star Apple AI, a company at the forefront of the AI innovation. Welcome to you both.
Thank you.
Whole heap of things that I just said a while ago.
Thank you.
Adrian, we're starting with you because you're with Star Apple AI, right? So what are some of the most significant changes that you've seen in sports since the introduction of AI technology?
So the biggest thing right now is athletes getting personalized, curated training, from nutrition to mental capabilities to physical dexterity.
How is that done?
So what they're doing is they're collecting a lot of data on not just their athletes, but athletes in competing teams, and then using that to figure out exactly what are these tiny changes to nutrition and training to get the ultimate output out of their athletes.
Curated per athlete. So
Yes.
that AI going to tell us, okay, you are nutritionally deficient in this area,
Yes.
or you need to be strengthening your hamstring or something.
Yeah, and if you don't, you're gonna have an injury
Yeah.
in 3 matches. So
It
gotta
tells
fix it.
you how long you have left?
It's predicting that level of accuracy right now.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's not scary, right? It's not scary, it's a good thing.
In the right hands, it's good. In the bad hands, it's bad. So it's about us ensuring that we're utilizing it
Okay.
for the benefit of our athletes and not taking advantage of them.
And what does that do, though, to an athlete's mental state if AI tells me, listen, you have only 3 matches left before this thing gets worse?
So you're using the tool to support
Yeah.
what you're doing. So it's never the AI telling you exactly what to do. It's the assistant coach or the assistant psychologist supporting the actual human expert, and then giving your athletes the opportunity to figure out what they need to do next,
Yeah.
financially as well as on the field.
Got you. And the information is good because at least you're preparing for what's to come, eh?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. All right, Donna Marie, we have much to talk about because now, UTech is doing big things now in this area.
Yes.
Have you guys started to incorporate the AI technology, whether it's in the training or with your classes as well?
Just a little of it
Yeah.
that we have been utilizing with our not with our athletes, our students. Our
Yeah.
lecturers have been showing their students what they can do with the technology. So this partnership now will open up everything, not only to just our lecturers, but to the coaches, the physical education teachers, because we recognize that AI is where it is going. Everybody is talking about it. There's so much to do with AI, and it can do a lot in terms of data analysis that we can't do just ourselves like that. So if you can have that now and recognizing that we're on the cups of greatness, we want to do it.
How has it been in terms of introducing this whole technology with our students? I know sometimes people say, boy, it's hard to get Jamaicans to switch from what they knew previously to something new. Has it been hard, or are they interested and curious?
We're interested and curious. We're in the low-tech part of it now because now we're using drone technology, and we're hoping to partner some more with Star Apple AI to see how we can integrate that for our teaching. Because we are, world-class athletes all the time, we want to be on that edge of greatness. So anything with AI, we want to be involved in it. Anything with technology, we want to be involved in it. And for us to put together a seminar so our students, teachers, coaches, everybody can know what to do in the next phase. That is interesting for us.
All right, give me some more information about the seminar coming up.
This seminar is going to be on Friday, the 13th of September, starting at 9 o'clock. We're going to have 2 presenters. Adrian will be our main presenter, and one of our lecturers will be showing the technology that we have been using at UTech and how our students have been trained for sports analysis, performance. And we have the cost right now is $3,000 for persons or $1,000 for students. If we get some more sponsorship, we hope to waive the fees. So that we're looking at that. But we have a lot of interest in it because it's new, it's different. When you think of it, that AI can be used for doping in sports. AI can be used to predict whether you're at risk for doping. This is something that then where we went to biological passports before, and we realized that just the small changes in hormones can make a difference for an athlete.
Yeah.
But if you have AI technology now, it's doing performance plus your hormones. So there's another level to it. So all of that incorporated, we think that we must do that. We are Jamaica, we are on a cutting edge, we are UTech, we have to be there with everybody.
Absolutely, I love that. Adrian, is Star Apple, you know, the front runners? Are they the front runners? You guys are front runners with this technology in sports in Jamaica?
I hope not.
Well, let's see what you have here. So you have some goodies for us. What is this?
All right, so I wanted to bring you a gift.
A gift? Do I get to take them home?
You get to take home the learnings. Right?
Okay, gotcha. All right, that's good.
These are reaction time pods.
Okay.
They're going to blink. We're going to use that to measure your reaction time against hundreds of thousands of
Why you want to set me up now, Adrian, on national TV?
No, you're going to do great.
Oh, Lord, in this early morning. Okay, all right, here we go.
So first tip is when you hit it on it hard, cover it. Like, don't be afraid to just...
You sure I won't break it?
Nah, it's good.
Okay, gotcha.
Good.
All right.
So it's going to start.
Oh, Lord.
I'll make it easy for you. And 3, 2, 1, go. Just hit it hard. All right, go. Doing great. 20 seconds. Got it.
Gotcha, I need to hit it harder?
Yeah.
Gotcha, okay. Ow!
All right, 5 seconds. 2.
Hey,
And
it didn't go on too bad.
Great job. All right, so
My reaction time?
it is 686.
What does that mean?
That's good. That's actually very good for your first time. Right?
Okay, good. Woo! Okay, good. I'm happy about that. Okay,
so
good.
the idea here is, won't mention specific races, but imagine an athlete being able to increase their reaction time by a couple milliseconds.
Give me one
off the
example.
block.
Give me one example of a race that it could actually work with. One? No?
Well, you can work with racing, you can work in football,
Okay.
anything, because reaction time is really important for all sports.
Yeah.
So if you can get that sprint off the block even a couple milliseconds.
Ah, for true.
They're
You put them
likely
ahead of the
to-
race, yeah.
And let's say all Jamaican athletes are utilizing this tool to just increase that. We increase Jamaican athletics to a whole new level using these technologies.
Yes.
And the benefit is, I can tell you exactly where you rank on a global scale right now in terms of reaction time.
Gotcha.
Can improve on a daily basis.
I just like this. I feel like I could carry this home and just distract my son for the whole day doing it. Seriously. I love this. All right, so you have another one as well before we wrap up. We have 17 seconds.
Yes, okay, so this is a virtual reality simulator.
Okay.
Yeah, Keela, VR world, you can wave to everybody.
Okay, hi.
Okay, so Akila is going to demonstrate simulated goalie match.
Okay.
The idea here is, let's say it's a rainy day or you have athletes that aren't able to get a lot of training in.
Right.
Then use technique to actually train thousands of times before you
Really?
actually get into the real world.
Okay, got you.
Right, so we're not replacing physical training, we're just giving them an opportunity to train more. Right, so let's see if you can start. And you're gonna go to the left.
Okay, go to the left, Akilo.
Are you ready? Yep. All right.
All right, there
Catch.
she is.
Good.
Catch. Are we singing
Grab
about the
it.
game? Yeah.
Can you use both hands? Yeah. That was good. You got one. Good.
All right, hey.
Oh, that was fast.
Okay, she's doing well. How is she doing though? Like, I'm thinking she's doing well though, but I mean, Adrian, you tell me, you're the expert here.
1600 score.
1600?
That's
So literally,
okay.
what she's doing is just looking for that ball and catching it. So this would work for a goalkeeper,
Yes.
right? Okay.
And also
Yeah.
a forward who wants to figure out the best way to trick a goalkeeper.
Gotcha. Okay. And this is effective, you'd say?
Yes, it's quite effective.
Okay.
This is being used international across
Yeah.
different sports.
Will this also be at the seminar?
Yes.
Yeah?
We have surprises.
have surprises.
Cool stuff.
Ooh, all right, good. I love that. Okay, for anybody watching beyond the seminar as well and they would like to get in touch with Star Apple AI, how could they do that?
You can check our website, www.starapple.ai.
Yeah.
Check us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. You can call us, WhatsApp us. Reach out. We'd love to help you have a better quality life. AI can support you. It's just a tool. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
That's it. Yeah. And Miss Donna Marie, could you give us some more information or just remind us of the details for the seminar? It's happening when?
On Friday, September 13th.
Starting time?
9 o'clock.
Where?
In University of Technology, Jamaica.
Any
Lecture
specific
Theatre
room?
50. Lecture Theatre 50. And you can call us 927-1680 at 2604 extension.
Okay.
But if you look for us online, we are there as well. We're on social media, so you can find us. And come out to the seminar. We're into quality education as part of Sustainable Development Goal number 4. And we're having a 3K after that to keep you healthy and fit.
Love that. Love that. Thank you so much. Thank you both. Donna Marie Winter-Adams, head of the Caribbean School of Sport Sciences at UTech, and Adrian Dunkley, CEO of Star Apple AI, a company at the forefront of AI innovation. More to come right here on Weekend Smile. Stay with us.